Muling tiniyak ni Pangulo Aquino na patuloy na isusulong ng kanyang administrasyon ang pagpapaunlad ng ekonomiya ng bansa. Ito'y upang tamasain ng sambayanang Pilipino ang mga biyayang hatid ng kaunlaran. Si Rocky Ignacio nag-uulat.
Maraming salamat, Attorney Mark. Nagpakita ng gilas ang ekonomiya ng Pilipinas matapos matamo ang 6.6 economic growth para sa taong 2012. Pero kumpiyansa ang Malacanang na malalampasan pa ito ngayong taong 2013. Naglatag na kasi ang government official target ng 6 to 7%. Tiniyak ng Aquino administration na kayang mapanatili ang patuloy na pagsigla ng ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin La Cerda, kakambal kasi na mabuting pamunuan ang matatag na ekonomiya. Sinabi ito ng palasyo sa pagpapakitang gilas ng Philippine economy. Nagtala kasi ng 6.8% GDP growth nitong fourth quarter ng taong 2012, dahilan para makuha ang 6.6 full-year economic growth ng bansa. Lampas ito sa government economic target na 5 to 6%.
What is particularly important to note is that while growth was initially driven by government stimulus, it is now being increasingly driven by private sector activity, including investments, which grew by 8.7% in 2012. This means growth is becoming more sustainable from a fiscal and macroeconomic perspective. Private sector activity has been enabled by the Aquino administration's dedication to positive reform. Without doubt, good governance means good economics.
Inilatag na sa 6 to 7% ang government target ngayong taon, pero kumpiyansa pa rin ang palasyo na matatamo ito dahil sa inaasahang pagtaas ng kaugnay ng midterm elections, kasabay na rin ang pagpapalakas ng infrastructure projects.
The administration's vision for the economy has always been to ignite a virtuous cycle of growth and empowerment, to enable business and enterprise to flourish, to open doors of opportunity for each citizen, and to invest in them so they can truly take hold of their own destinies. The continued growth of our GDP is proof positive of our ability to sustain a united march forward along the straight path towards equitable progress. Rest assured that while our administration is encouraged by these successes, we will continue to work even harder to maintain our economy's upward trajectory.
Ang mas masigla ekonomiya ng Pilipinas dahil sa reforma ay kinilala na rin ng global economic leader sa idinaos ng World Economic Forum sa Davos, Switzerland. Sa naturang forum na ipakilala ng Pangulo ang kahandaan ng bansa sa mas patas na pagnenegosyo dahilan na inaasahang dagsa ng pamumuhunan. Sagot na rin ito ng Malacanang sa batikos ng kritiko na hindi naman umano nagkaroon ng mabuting partisipasyon ng Pangulo sa idinaos sa taunang Economic Forum. Pero pagtiyak ng palasyo, sulit ang ginastos ng gobyerno sa biyahe dahil sa inaasahang positibong ani.
This is a conference of ideas. It's where you share ideas, it's where you share what your particular country is doing. And in the case of the Philippines, the President was there to showcase the Philippine efforts at good governance, which translates to good economics. And you will see also, for instance, our fourth quarter GDP growth. It shows that we've been doing the right thing and that we intend to continue doing the right thing in good governance and also at poverty alleviation. These are the things which are long-term investment. You plant a seed, para tayong magsasaka, we're planting the seeds right now, knowing that in the future there will be a harvest. And so that's what Davos was, a marketplace of ideas, and our idea was positively received by the CEOs.
Nauna na nga tiniyak ni Pangulong Aquino na patuloy ang paglalatag ng gobyerno ng mga programa na titiyak para mapatatag pa ang economic fundamentals ng bansa. At yan po ang ating pag-uulat mula dito sa Malacanang sa tulong ng RTV. Ako po si Rocky Ignacio para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.